Hello YouTube, this is Ragnar Silverblood, and it's July 14th, so the release date of the second Magic the Gathering part of the set of the Amonkhet. It's the Hour of Devastation. So, went out, bought two of these fat packs, and well, that's what I'm going to unbox. Unbox one of them at least, so... Got the nice book and everything, and the security blah, and this crap. And it'll be 10 booster boxes. I've got the dice. Look at that. It's a nice color. I like that color. Not gonna lie. So, the tokens. The lands, and the 10 booster packs. I was going to do this earlier, but for once I actually got called into work on a Friday, so yeah, let's get started. Throw that on the ground. Alright. Angel of the God Pharaoh. Burning Fist Minotaur. Sun Scourge Champion. And my rare is Random Excavator. Naga Cleric. Pretty cool. But yeah, after this I got another fat pack, and I'm going to have to go out tomorrow and Driven to Despair. It's my next rare. Lighting's pretty horrible, but that's because it's the afternoon. It's the afternoon, and I am on the west side of the house, so I don't really have much sunlight. Hazaret's Undying Fury is my next rare, and I've got a foil. It's a common, but it's a foil aerial guide. But yeah, what I was saying before is I'm going to have to go out tomorrow and actually get a booster box. So I'm just doing this one quick unboxing so that I have something to throw up on the channel tonight. Do another of the fat packs tomorrow, and then do booster box tomorrow. Next rare is Bontu's Last Reckoning, and I got a foil Quarry Beetle. It's an uncommon, but looks nice. Ooh. Next is a mythic rare, Majestic Mariarch. It's a Chimera. There we go. That's easy. I just cover up that and just call it a Chimera. Next rare is Hour of Eternity. Ooh. Next is another mythic rare, Rezaketh the Foul-Blooded. Yeah. Oh, that's a pretty cool card. Legendary creature, demon. Pay 2 life, sacrifice another creature, search your library for a card, and put that card into your hand. Then shuffle the library. But it's a friggin' 3 swamps and 5 other. That's an expensive guy. Holy crap. Very expensive. Reason to Believe? Hey, alright. Next rare, Apocalypse Demon. And my final pack. Leave to Chance. And that's it. That was my first fat pack of Hour of Devastation, and it was pretty good. I liked it. Whatever. I don't know. I don't really get to play much, so I'm primarily just a collector, so... But, whatever. Tomorrow I'll have another fat pack and hopefully a booster box, and... What I want to get done is 2 fat packs and 2 booster box and have them done over the weekend, but yeah, there you go. Hour of Devastation Fat Pack unboxing. Thank you for watching.